guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channels and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everybody. So I got the update yesterday for a holiday update, which is 2021.44.25, and today I'm gonna show you how the light show works and see what it looks like. Let's go. So this is how you start the light show. You go to toy box and it will be on the first in the menu, and just hit start the light show, and you can adjust the volume to be low or high. I think that's good. Let's do this. You just need to exit your vehicles and close the door, and it will start. Okay, all the windows is open. The trunk is open now. See the side view mirror? It's moving. All the windows are moving. Even the charge port is open too. Right there. So that's it for the show. Really cool. So that's it for the light show. That's awesome. Thank you for watching, guys. Again, click like and subscribe. See you on the next video.